way. Railings. Railings, and they need to be it's 50 to 75 years old. Square head bolts, they need to be replaced. All connections here. All these rust needs to be come out, and new bolts. Rust here. This clip, it looks like it's gone. It needs to be replaced. Remove the square bolts, remove the rust, clean it up, and put new bolts here. All square connections, bolts connections need to be replaced. You can see all the way here. Missing bolts needs to be secured. This piece of floor is loose, so you have to secure that floor. This rubber here is gone. You have to secure it with a piece of rubber. See here, this connection here is missing bolts. No good. Same here. On the other video, I point this part here that needs to be connected, secured with the plumber inside. Either that or replace. But see the hole here too. So we have to put a plumber on it inside all the way in to secure this this connection here. This spot here is unsecure. This floor is supposed to overlap all the way here, and this one going up this way. So this is just sitting like half inch, so someone can just step on it, or the floor can move and fall down. So it needs to be either put another bracket underneath to secure the floor, that way nobody can step on it and fall down. See the floor here too? Same. Square bolts. This floor needs to be replaced. This floor is in bad conditions. Change the bolts there. Reinforce the floor or replace it.